Welcome to Decked in the Wild, where we find two SUVs on the hunt. Look at that. One's already spotted a 5th generation 4Runner in its natural habitat. And look, a rare sighting of a 4-door Bronco, long thought to be extinct. Both are commonly seen near campgrounds, trailheads, and grocery stores around North America. Many SUVs are short on utility, but it seems these species have been tagged with a decked drawer system. Look at that increased storage and organization for efficiency, and a top tray with cargo tie-downs to ensure safe travel in the wild. It seems these species may have a chance after all. While it's too late for the weaker species like the PT Cruiser and Pontiac Aztek, perhaps DECKED can save other SUVs in future efforts. Only time will tell. For now, it's time to release these two back into the wild, and with utility on their side, it looks like they're going to survive.